Data professionals increasingly need to solve large machine learning and data problems at scale. Coiled makes this easy. Coiled helps you scale Python workflows to the cloud for computing power and speed, all tuned for the needs of teams and enterprises. Coiled is built on Dask, the #1 Python native parallel programming library. Dask integrates with dozens of your favorite Python tools like Pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, PyTorch, XGBoost, and many others. Coiled provides 3 main features. First, hosted Dask clusters. You can use Coiled to launch clusters on managed resources on the cloud or on-prem. Coiled handles deploying containers, hooking up networking securely, and making it seamless to connect so that you can get back to the real work. This allows you to choose the right tools for your work, clusters of machines, advanced libraries, and GPUs without worrying about the DevOps details. What's more is you can launch Coiled from anywhere, including cloud services like AWS SageMaker, open source solutions like Jupyter Hub, or even from the comfort of your very own laptop. Second, managed software environments. The Python data science space is vast, composed of hundreds of amazing libraries. However, building and maintaining a fleet of rapidly changing Docker images can be challenging. Coiled builds Docker images for you from Conda and pip environment files. You don't need to have Docker installed. We build containers for you and keep them for future use by you or other members of your team. You can also explore and install curated software environments made by other experts in the community. It takes a village or community to build the best practices. Third, manage teams and costs. Coiled gives a single view to all of the productivity happening within your team and organization. You can see who is running what, track costs, and enable collaboration by having access to advanced telemetry and dashboards ranging across your team and your organization. Will your data science workflow benefit from quick and easy scaling? Take Coiled for a spin today and enjoy your first 1,000 CPU hours for free. See you at coiled.io.